we on? Alright, what is good YouTube? It's Leon from Sneaker Klinic and today we're going to do a cleaning tutorial. This is a pair of, what is this? Oh, Sam Edelman. Okay, this is a girl's pair of shoes with, are you serious? With two somewhat, I guess they're fuzzy. Two fuzzy balls on the tongue. They are actually dirty. I don't know why I was brushing it. It feels like brushing a cat. This is supposed to be suede. It could be fake suede. But my client just wants to have the uppers clean, the balls clean, and the midsoles are actually kind of dirty. Why is this one different? What do you mean by different? This looks cleaner than the other side. I have good eyes. I have Asian eyes. I'm 4 eyes. You guys serious? You guys went ahead to clean this off camera because you wanted to test if we could get the balls wet? Okay, that's a little weird for YouTube. You guys still want to continue, right? Get a clean bowl of water. In this case, we're going to need to use all 3 Rejuvenator brushes. The softy, the medium, the stiffy. Clean cloths. I don't know why I keep freaking cloths, because I love cleaning shoes so much. Okay, where's my Rejuvenator, the 16-ounce bottle? You're gonna need the Rejuvenator cleaning solution, or sneaker cleaning solution. In this case, what do you mean? You just want me to talk about? Oh my god! Don't forget to also have a hairy ball brush, because once this is dry, you're gonna need to brush the hairy balls. when you get older and you're into this kind of style, Daddy's gonna disapprove. What is good, YouTube? Ellie, say hi. Say hi to YouTube. All right, cool. That's a great smile. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel, The Ellie Show. The link is in the description. Hold on, I was just eating Nutella on toast. That chocolate's good. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. The link is in the description box below in this video. Wow, ooh, was that a burp or a fart? Don't matter, the shoes are good to go. They're clean. I'm just gonna dry brush it one last time because I just applied the Suede Renew. Ooh, that was actually pretty good. And yeah, this is not bad right now. I'm just gonna touch up the midsoles a little bit just because of the stains. It's still ticking me off. The fuzzy pom poms. Actually, Ellie, do you like this? No, you don't. You can't even see. All right, that's good enough. Does that feel better? Oh, I wish you can pat my back too. Hold on. Okay, nice. If you must clean suede shoes using the wet clean method, make sure you use the dry brush to dry brush as much dirt off the surface as possible before you go ahead to use. Can you say rejuvenator? You don't care about this product? Neither do I. Make sure you don't soak it too much. Pat it dry after each cleaning session. Make sure when it's drying, it's even. In this case, it's a little tricky because of the freaking pom-poms covering the tongue suede area, but I was kind of using a fan to kind of get, no, I'm not gonna say that word, is inappropriate, to get these BALLS as dry as possible. I set it outside and then I brought it back, dry and brushed the nap once more, then applied the Suede Renew. I don't know why Daddy keeps throwing bottles around. And then once that's done, 15 minutes, it should be dry depending on your product that you're using. That's a recoloring kind of stuff. And then dry brush the nap one last time to bring that softness. There's freaking fake suede lint everywhere. And oh, make sure you get a, oh my god, BALLS brush. Make sure you brush the fuzzy pom-poms, and make sure you comb the nice fuzzy pom-pom. No, I'm not gonna say it. What about the brush? Are you serious? This is Ellie's brush? Alright, just don't tell Mom. Oh yeah, I don't know what else to say. Ellie, you are getting big. Oh my god. Alright, let's get out of here, Ellie. Seriously, guys, you could have just told me. Oh my god, I can't believe it. No, I'm not saying that. Cut that off. Okay, this is inappropriate. I make weird, inappropriate jokes. I don't want you guys to tell me what this. Yeah, I want to get a raise. Sorry, YouTube. This intro, they're having so much fun. They want me to brush the 4 hairy balls like this and smile. No, I'm not sticking my nose on these hairy balls. So this side, as you can see, it's very, very fluffy. My bad. It's very, very hairy. This side, apparently they went ahead to test clean it just to see how this ends up. Just make sure that you air dry it properly, and then look. It's so nice and fluffy. Oh my god, I hate doing this. It's so nice and hairy. These dirty balls, we're gonna have to clean these dirty balls because the customer wants the dirty balls and hairy balls cleaned. Why are you asking me to do this with my fingers? You want me to hold the shoe like how? Like this? Oh, you. No! Cut this. Oh, you do realize this video is gonna get flagged? Show YouTube what happens when you don't clean the underneath of the dirty, hairy, wherever. Check it out, YouTube. See that? Underneath, they want me to show you guys what happens when you don't clean and properly groom